I like fat women. I like fat women. I don't care how fat you are. Oh, I know I love you. I know I love you. I love you until you die. Will love you until you die. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Do you know what the Mentor Mentee program is? Oh, you don't? Well, let me tell you what it is. M&M is a program for freshman and transfer students that have a mentor to guide throughout their first year at SCSU.
Well, why become a mentee?
You should become a mentee because you can seek for help whenever from a mentor, and also your mentor will be giving you attention. You can gain a coach, a sister, or a brother, and maybe even a lifelong friend.
Well, why become a mentor?
Being a part of the M&M program not only benefits mentees, but also mentors. Becoming a mentor, you become a resource for your mentees. It is a year-long journey that you go through together as you learn and grow from one another. And we also have a point system where you take a picture with your mentor or mentee in an HSO event or anywhere on campus doing something, and you gain 1 or 2 points. And then at the end of the year, you will earn a prize.
M&M program also holds events such as Thanksgiving gathering, ugly sweaters, combined with our Christmas events, and also the end of the year gathering.
And don't forget, applications are due October 1st at noon.